Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you the technique how to answer. About cosine x, we can put about 1 minus 2 sine x over 2 squared. So in this situation, 1 minus 1, they will cancel. Negative with negative, you got about the positive in here. And this is the first step. And the next step, that's about sine x. About sine x, we can put about 2 sine x over 2 cosine x over 2. This one they will cancel. Number two, they will cancel. If we put number 0 in here, you got about 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital. So we need to find first the derivative of numerator and denominator. This one you will get about cosine x over 2 plus minus s sine x over 2, and we have 1 over 2 in here. This one we change about 1 over 2 cosine x over 2. So we put number 0 in here, here, and you will get about 1 over 2, and you got about number 2. That's the end. Thank you for watching.